Good morning, everyone. It's Ben with Good Morning Mechanic filling in for Dan today. We're back at Wingman Garage with Aaron and Jeff and April Hose today. We've got a project today. Aaron, what's going on today?
Pretty simple. We're just going to rip an engine out of this beautiful Mustang because Jeff and his wife are going to build an absolute beast. I'll let them talk about that in a minute. But Jeff reached out. He's like, hey, I just need a lift. And I was like, that's what Wingman does. We do lifts. Well, we do more than that. But we have lifts. And dropped it off last night. We're getting it all prepped now. And he brought a whole ragtag crew. Some of them I'm not too sure of, but they're gonna drop the cradle, pull the engine and trans today, and get it ready for an epic winter build.
So what do we got here today, guys?
Well, we got my wife's 2003 Mach 1. Unfortunately, it is broke. It ended up having some rod noise at the bottom end, and we're pulling it out today. So we're gonna pull the motor, trans out as one. And we're gonna build it for my wife so she has something fun to play around in and see how she likes summertime with a fast car. So
Awesome. Are you excited about what's going on today?
Yes.
Awesome.
Nervous.
Nervous? Well, that's fine. Everybody will be nervous in this project. So what are you going to do here? You're going to take it out from the bottom, I understand?
yeah, so sometimes you can take these out from the top, but since we have a lift here at Wingman, we're gonna drop it from the bottom. So everything, the K-member, the control arm, lifts, the control arms, and the trans will all come down as one piece. So it's way easier to do that way. It's less strain. You don't have to worry about breaking parts or anything. This has long tube headers on it, and on these cars, if you have long tube headers, sometimes you gotta take the master cylinder and brake booster off. So we're gonna try to avoid that, and easier way, the better. So.
All right, awesome. Can't wait to check it out. You guys ready to get to work?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's get started.
I miss Dan. We miss you, Dan.
We start unhooking all the harnesses on everything. I mean, if you pull the motor hard enough, it unhooks itself. So. All right.
Good job. Really good job.
Do this, the exhaust can come down, trans is leaking,
All right, Jeff, we got the car up on the lift. Everybody's underneath here working. What is the next step now?
We're disconnecting everything from underside here, like the crank position sensor. We're gonna get the exhaust off. That can all come down as one piece, and then we're gonna start disconnecting everything from the trans. But I actually run into a snug, so I don't have my lug nut key anywhere, so we're gonna try to figure out how to get it off. So,
Oh, I'm sure we'll be able to.
yeah, we'll get it off.
Awesome. All right, let's get busy.
I would just disconnect the sensors because these are going to stay in.
is a lesson to everybody. Leave your lug key in your car. Now, Jeff didn't forget it. He just bought the car and didn't have it, so. But, leave your lug keys in your car.
It's probably.
Watch it again.
Man, savior. Literally, the car won't move without that.
Why is it?
I can't see that.
Now we're talking.
Right there. Now we're cooking.
Yeah. That's actually. That's actually.
I just want to get it loose first.
Oh yeah, yeah. That one. Here. Come on, muscle.
Tonight when you have dinner, you must. I tell you that right now. This boy.
That's the beautiful thing about doing old B-roll. You can put his music over all the sound.
No filter.
Hit this screen. I'm going to pull that road screen line up. And yeah, we should be.
April, your car is in parts on the table right here.
Yes.
Are you excited or nervous about this?
Excited, less nervous. It's just, the mess you got to make before you can clean. Yikes.
Right? So, confidence is high that these guys know what they're doing.
They know more than I do.
Okay.
I'm learning as we go. I know some stuff, but motor stuff, no. But, no, I mean, they're yanking it out pretty quick.
I think they're making really good time. So, and now when they drop this out, you have an idea of what you want to go back in, or he knows what's going back in, or
We've got a Cobra block at home we're going to build off of, and she's going to have all new internals, the whole turbo setup, and then, like, all new stuff. We're going to clean up the engine bay, and
that
she
sounds
won't-
awesome.
She won't smoke bomb anymore, and she'll run much better, and excited.
Are we going to see it at the next show?
Hopefully.
All right, well, let's see.
Hold the light in the right direction.
Oh, you're not holding the right way.
Hold it right here. Just give it to me.
Let's give it a light. Go ahead.
You're not doing it right.
Go inside.
Yeah, go inside.
Go inside.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
Got him.
If I had a Good Morning Mechanic hoodie, it wouldn't be so cold.
If only we knew a guy.
Danny, buy us some hoodies. All right, we're at a good stopping point. I think we're about to take lunch while the fluid's draining and everything. Jeff, how's everything going so far? What are the bullet points? Have there been any hiccups? Are we on schedule?
It's looking pretty good. We had a little hiccup with the exhaust. It's been on there for so long. We tried hitting it off and separating it from the tubes, but so we just ended up cutting that. But everything's looking pretty good. All the fluids are drained. All the coolant lines are done. Power steering lines are good. So we're just waiting for the fluids to stop draining, and then once we eat, we're gonna drop the motor down. It shouldn't be too much longer though. So
Awesome. I can't wait to see it. One thing I did notice that underneath this car looks pretty good for an Ohio car.
the car actually came from Arizona, so
Gotcha. That makes sense.
Yeah, I ended up buying it for her. I didn't even look at it, so it was kind of a sight unseen deal.
Nice.
And I trusted him, but yeah, everything underneath's pretty clean. It hasn't seen snow, hasn't seen any of that, so for being 102,000 miles on the body, it's pretty clean.
That's really good.
Yeah, absolutely.
All righty, we're going to get some lunch, let these fluids drain, and then we're going to drop in an engine after that.
Time you guys are done.
get to pick colors? Yeah, dude. I can't believe you let me take this whole damn car apart without that electric ratchet. I thought we were friends. He did one thing right.
You gotta tighten it to loosen it, you know. It's
Traditional mechanic seal.
yeah.
You don't need it.
Yeah, bump it. Bump. Okay. Bump. Watch your feet. All right, you want to bring the car out? All right.
Down, boys.
Gotta go up.
All right, wow, Jeff, what a day. We got the engine out. It's been a long day. How do you think it went?
I think it went pretty well. We had a couple snags, but it came out pretty good. I couldn't be without Aaron here at Wingman and everyone that helped out. And me and my wife were super thankful for everybody. And I think it came out more, and there's much more to come from this. So.
Well, awesome. We love to keep track of it, so make sure you keep in touch. Maybe we'll follow up with some more videos about the progress of the 2003 Ford Mustang. April's Mustang here. And got to point it out, she's off camera. She's shy, as they said. So, but you guys also put on an annual car show every year in Medina, and it's one of the biggest that I've heard is around.
Yeah, so we've been doing the show 9 years now. This will be the 9th year. So it's just an annual Medina Car Show. It all goes to St. Jude's. So all the proceeds go to that. And there's over 1,400 cars. So,
Wow.
There's thousands of people walking around and enjoying stuff. And so we had monster trucks and burnouts and all kinds of stuff. So.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
it's gonna be pretty awesome.
Yeah, so we encourage everybody to come out and check it out. You won't want to miss it. So.
Awesome, excellent. Well, we'll see you there. Good Morning Mechanic will be there. Jeff and April will be there. Hopefully the Mustang will be there. Yeah.
I hope so. We got some things planned for it, but that's the goal, is to get it done before then. So.
All right, and we'll be sure to help follow it. You guys follow along, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time we post a video of the Mustang or anything else here on the channel, you guys are notified as soon as it comes up. All right. Well, good morning, everybody.
See ya.